Yes, be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The learned courts below have accepted the evidence of Suresh Kumar within bracket PW5, Fareed within bracket PW7, and Ashok Kumar within bracket PW9 as credible. Stop. Relying upon the ocular version given by these three witnesses, the courts below held that A1 to A3 came on a motorcycle, stopped the motorcycle near the log cabin of Chetan. Stop. A1 and A2 threw the acid on Chetan and thereafter they assaulted him. Stop. The first information report that was lodged at the earliest opportunity without any loss of time disclosed the names of the accused persons and the role played by them. Stop. The evidence of the three eyewitnesses stood corroborated from the medical evidence that Chetan had sustained incised and acid burn injuries. Stop. The undergarment of A1 had the stains of sulfuric acid. Stop. A1 and A2 had also sustained minor acid injuries. Stop. All these findings recorded by the courts below are based on appreciation of oral and documentary evidence on record. Stop. There is no serious challenge to the finding recorded by the courts below that Chetan died an unnatural death due to several injuries on his person. Stop. It is therefore not necessary to deal with medical evidence which did prove that he within bracket Chetan met with a homicidal death. Stop. We accordingly hold so. Stop para. It was contended on behalf of the appellants that the courts below ought to have rejected the evidence of three eyewitnesses being unreliable, firstly on the ground that they were residing at a far off places in different localities and there was no reason for them to come to the log cabin of Chetan. Stop. Secondly, they were all close friends of Chetan and therefore interested witnesses. Stop. It is therefore not safe to convict the accused persons on such untrustworthy evidence. Stop. We find no substance in these contentions. Stop. We have gone through the evidence of these eyewitnesses very carefully and we find that except giving a suggestion that they could not have been present at the time of incident, no further material could be brought out during the cross examination. Our considered opinion, the evidence of these witnesses cannot be disbelieved on these grounds. Stop para. It was then contended on behalf of the appellants that Suresh Kumar within bracket PW5, Fareed within bracket PW7 and Ashok Kumar within bracket PW9 were not knowing the names of any of the accused persons and therefore the prosecution ought to have held TIP to lend credence of their evidence as regards identification. Stop. It is true that no TIP was held. Stop and over.